Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today's video, layout update. Remember how I said these make one big layout, but recently brought down the garage to make it even bigger. But there are some updates that have been done as well. Let's go take a look. So our first update is I had this in the garage, but I redid it. We did a tunnel. This is all going to be painted. And I had the paints to do that. And I'll show you how in another video. There's what it looks like on the ends. And I made this cool looking side rail right here. The track was laid close to the edge. So that's an update. Kind of adds like for a bridge. I kind of like it because it's unique and it gave me the idea to put the tunnel here. Plus it hides the controller. But I like the little cutout this had. I'm like, well, that's where the tunnel and mountain area is going to be. So that works out good. So that went there. Okay. And once again, it's attached to make one big layout. There it is. Leads over to the main one that I've got started. Leads over to that one. To make one big layout. Now, you're probably thinking, well, in old videos you had like stuff back there. That's all been moved. Like that. There, that. A lot of it got moved to the other layouts. I redid my switch yard as well on this HO layout. So I could get more freight and locomotives in it. I'll let you see all of them. Now in that one, there's a camper right there. See the camper right there? That's to add as a house, okay? Yep, it's 5 different train layouts to make one. And you're gonna see this one come along, and eventually it's gonna look like that one. Alright guys, please go like, subscribe.